Morning, people. Alright, so yeah. Lights. Right, morning, people. Yeah. Angle. Camera real good, real quick. Morning. Hope you guys enjoyed that short B-roll segment of me making coffee. Morning, like legit, it's morning. I just woke up 8 AM on my off day, and now it's 9 AM and I'm ready to make a video. Alright, let's do this. Today's going to be fun, alright? This video is going to be fun because today I'm gonna make the first segment of what I would like to call it Tun Remake That. I feel like it should be much cooler, the intro to this. Well, I should make it much more epic. Sorry, I'm a bit sick today, so my voice is like what the freak. And this is my morning hair. Oh my god, I forgot a comb for this video. But okay. So first episode of Tun Remake That. Alright. Today is going to be a Pokemon edition. No, maybe not even Pokemon edition. I might even just Tun Remake That with a Pokemon inside, alright? So that's going to be episode 1. Today is going to be episode 1 of Tun Remake That with Pokemons, alright? So today we're going down memory lane, back into our previous video where I went to, oh my god, I'm so sick. Okay, where was I? Where I went to Marichi Reservoir and took some shots of the reservoir. Oh my god, I'm so sick. Nothing well for this shit. Coffee. Okay, so where was I? Oh yeah, the reservoir. Okay, so I went to the Marichi Reservoir near Marymount, and I took a picture of this reservoir right here. Alright, so with that in mind, I thought, the view is great and all, alright, but just something I feel like adding into it. So in the end, I came up with this shot of the reservoir with a Magikarp coming out. Who's that Pokemon? Yeah, okay, so yeah, so I added in a Magikarp into the reservoir. By the way, I left out the part. Okay, Tun remake that shot, right? So I was supposed to go remake this shot created by this Instagrammer. Thank you for inspiring me to remake this shot, by the way. Shout out to you, go follow this guy because he's amazing. Alright. So yeah, I remade that shot which he made with Magikarps. So let's dive right into it. Let's go before I get more sick. Adjusted the everything else. Okay, maybe I should show you guys that. Okay, this is not going well. Alright, I should really plan these videos before I start making them. Alright, so this was the final edit when I finish up this remake. Alright, and I really enjoyed it and I love it, but of course this isn't I added in some smoke right here, more smoke right here, but I was lazy to like use it, go Photoshop to edit in. So I use lens distortion. If you guys never, it's an app on a phone where you can just add smoke into the side. So I added some smoke into the side. Yeah, so that's that. I'll show you guys the final pic later on. But anyway, let's go back to Photoshop. So let's see what I did. Okay, let me show you guys what I did. So right off the bat, the photo looked like this at first. Of course it was a bit wider, but I just cropped it in. But I wanted to post it on Instagram being 1 by one by one. Alright, so of course I crop it in like this to an area I want, and I find that it's easier to work with a smaller like size image, right? And I find that it's more, you can focus what you want to show in the picture more with a smaller frame, right? So yeah, that's why I usually like to crop it to one by one. So this is the original image of this nice stranger back. Oh my god, I hope she doesn't see uh, this video, but if she does, hi, thank you, you're so nice for allowing me to shoot and model you in this picture, and for allowing me to remake the first episode of Toon Remake That Shot Pokemon with Pokemon in them, alright? So this is the original image. So I'll show you guys what I did. So what I did was, of course, I put in Magikarp. I just replaced the fish, okay? So basically right off the bat, the shot I'm remaking is because I saw like trees, so I'm like, okay, this is perfect. Marichi Reservoir had this nice tree, so I shot on with this tree, and later on, sorry, I was just checking whether I was still recording. So later on, right, I was like, okay, let's replace the fishes with Magikarps. Why not, right? They are actually my favorite Pokemon because they are like, as much as they are useless, they freaking evolve into Gyarados, a freaking dragon type fish. I don't know. It's like, what the freak? So I just replaced them with freaking Magikarps. Okay, so let's dig right into it. So basically, what you do, right now this image only have freaking the background. You don't want the background, right, of the image. So basically, what you do, you just click the select. What I did was the freaking click W, right? W is the quick selection tool, and you quick select, blah 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 blah. Then you just mask it out. Then you get the Magikarp only, and the background just gone. Of course, this is a fast tutorial. I just want to show you guys what I did, but you can, of course, you're supposed to get rid of all this stuff, right? After that, just drag and paste and whatever. And after that, so the first one was I pasted this fish. No, wait, I didn't paste that one first. I pasted the main one, the middle. Where is it? Let me just show you guys where I pasted. Oh, okay. I paste this big fish first, alright? So when I pasted this big fish, right, you'll come to realize that the fish is behind the tree, so that I can make it more real that he's legit in the picture, and it looks more surreal if he's behind the tree, which of the photo I took, right? So basically, what happens is what happens when you freaking paste the Magikarp photo is that a Magikarp will be in front of the tree and in front of my model, right? So what do you usually do is you select the tree and you mask it out. Basically what I did was if you can see right here, you just quick select the tree and mask it out. And okay, you also create a background layer. You create a background layer to do this. It's a must to create a background layer to do this. And also you also quick select the model. And create a duplicate. You create a mask of her also. So, and you put the giant Magikarp underneath the model, so that it can be pasted in front of her and not over her. So let's just say, right, okay, if I drag this right where I just make them into a group. Quick one. So let's just say I want to this right, make them into a group, and if I were to paste this fish over the girl, you see what happens is my fish is over her and it's like terrible. It's not realistic at all. You can tell it's fake already. So in order for me to paste it where she's like looking at this giant fish, right, I must put the fish layer below her, the woman layer, alright? That's what I did. So yeah, that's what happened. I'll go through this video in a way where you guys understand Photoshop already, alright? Then I just started putting Magikarps around areas which I saw on the picture, which I'm supposed to remake. So I saw this fish right here walking through the tree and it was blurred out. So what I did was I just put the fish, of course, behind the tree. And so of course this fish I had to put it, so I quick select this tree also. What's the tree which I quick select? Yeah, so I mask out this tree also and I put it underneath the tree so that I can put it behind the tree, alright? I hope I'm making sense. So if I don't put this fish layer underneath the tree layer, right, so I just name it as tree 2, so basically it will be in front of the tree, alright? You see that? Alright, so that's what I did. Alright, next, what did I do? Alright, oh yeah, I Gaussian blur it, by the way. That's how I create the blur effect. So basically you select the fish and you go filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Alright, that's how you create the blur effect. Alright, next, I put in more fishes. I put fishes right here. I put fishes right, Magikarps right there. Then of course, put another Magikarp right there. And I just create in the smoke. Add in smoke. Okay. How do you add a smoke layer in Photoshop? Alright, that's I'm gonna teach you guys right now. Smoke layer, how do you create? So basically what I do is I just create a new layer right above. It's right here. Right, you create a new layer just like that. Alright, so I'm just gonna delete this. Okay, okay, for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just show you guys. Okay, you create a new layer mask, or just layer, right? Then after that you go to filter, render, then under render, right, you can see clouds. You click clouds. Once you get clouds, you'll see this. Okay, why is this Magikarp right there? I'm just gonna put it way at the top so that you can cover up. Okay, after that, right, what you do is you click screen. Okay, once you click screen, right, you use the brush tool. You must set it to normal, alright, be on black. Then just get rid of the brush off the part of the smoke which you don't want. And that's how you create smoke, alright? With at the areas you want and at the areas you don't want, alright? But yeah, that's how I'm just gonna delete that. And yeah, so I created a smoke just to create the atmosphere of the way the image looked like in the picture which I was about to remake, because I saw smoke at the top. So yeah, let's put in a smoke layer. Let me see. Okay, to make the Magikarp look real, right, you just gotta, I don't know why, it's just a thing, like you just desaturate the image. Basically, once you desaturate the image, it looks more real. And plus, the fact that I use a live action Magikarp photo, alright, in this image, that's why it looks real, alright. Yeah, so that's that. So if you want to create the atmospheric vibe, right, the way this filter looks, basically, okay, I'm just gonna go briefly. I went to Lightroom, alright. After I went to Lightroom, then I started editing and creating the filter which I like. First off, I created the vignetting under the effect panel, just like that. So all this, and of course I increase the contrast, raise up the shadows, clarity, and yeah, I create a vibrance, desaturate it a bit. Tone curve. Okay, I use the tone curve quite a lot. Alright, I love using the tone curve to just so I created this contrast with the shadows, the midtones, and the highlights. So a bit of S curve, but not that drastic. But yeah, I raise up the shadows. I don't know. Once you raise up the shadows, right, it creates this film-like look, where it faded look of your image. Let me just show you. Okay, so if I raise it down, right, but I raise it back up. You see the difference? I hope you guys can see. You see this faded. You guys should see the sides. So it creates this faded look, which I like. So that's why I usually raise up the shadows. Next, what did I do? Oh yeah, I raise up the reds a bit, just to create that warmth. Wow, still sick, guys. Alright, then I put up the greens of the shadows, the midtones a bit, then the highlights a bit down. Blues I just raised up the midtones of the blues. That's all I did. Right. Then I also use the HSL sliders. I raise down the hue of the blue to because of sky, right, I want to make it look like better, because at first it was like that. Alright, and it is not that nice. So I just make it more turquoise. And saturation, just a tone down, luminous. I decrease because I want the attention to be on the fish, of course, the magic cups. Split tone. Okay, I didn't do anything in split tone. Details, yes. I reduce the noise, I sharpen my image, make it more nicer, more clearer. Yeah. So that's it. So that's the. Okay, so let me just bring you guys to the final image. Alright. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present to you the final remake of this shot, alright, by this wonderful creator, and thank you for inspiring me to remake this shot. So I give you the final edit and remake of fish flying in the air around trees with my own edition with Pokemons, and this edition I use Magikarp, and this. Okay, I'm talking too much. Oh my god, I'm sick. Alright, let's just show you guys. Boom! Ba, 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 ba. This is the final image. I'm so proud. If you like it, okay, wait. I was about to end this video. What the frick? Alright, so so that's the final image. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to do more episodes of Turn Remake That Shot with Pokemons more in the future. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, hope I have a speedy recovery, because I'm like thanks for watching this video and listening to my sick voice. Okay, I'm just gonna end this video. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh yeah, make sure to just like, subscribe. Okay, that's it. Bye.